explorers. Today we're going to be discussing how rain affects the surface of the earth. So grab your investigation notebook and head on into the lab, and I'll see you in a few minutes. Don't forget to write down your questions so that we know what we're discussing. See you in a few. Alright explorers, the answer to all those questions you just saw is... Alright explorers, now let's look at three important factors of erosion. We have the slope, the soil texture, and coverage. Okay, let's talk about slope for a minute. If we add water with it flat, the water simply stays on top. However, if we add another brick in this case, we make the slope steeper. And by adding a brick and making it steeper, the more energy the stream will have and the better equipped it will be to remove the particles down the side of the hill. Alright explorers, let's see what effects water have on our model today. Now, today we're going to use a pan filled with just regular dirt out of the backyard, and it's going to resemble our hill, okay, or the side of a mountain. Alright? Then we're using many different sizes of particles. We have loose little granulates, we have large ones, small ones, and this is going to represent our rain. We have a watering can. Now, how does the rain shape the earth? That's our question, right? Well, let's see what happens.
Wait, explorers. Here are some other questions that you should consider. Get out your investigation notebooks and write what you think.
Alright explorers, now we're going to talk about the second important factor of erosion, and that's soil texture. Now, let's take a look here. If we have small particles of soil, they're going to erode away faster than the large particles. Let's see if that's true. It's taken a long time to get that big clump down here. Now let's look at the small ones. They're definitely moving a lot faster. This also shows us why we have muddy water after it rains. See all the sediment that has followed down into our imaginary stream? It's muddy. That's because the energy of the flow of water makes it move around in there. Now you see though, it's slowly settling in the bottom, clearing our water. Finally, coverage impacts erosion. Without the roots of the trees and plants to hold the particles together, the soil erodes much faster. Let's look at the instance of a rock. Without the rock to divert the water around, it keeps this from eroding away. Also, plants slow down the process of energy running the water, and therefore obstructs the path of the water, slowing it down. Therefore, the stream doesn't get a head start on the energy process.
Okay, explorers, it's time to say goodbye. I hope you've had as much fun learning about erosion as I have. If you would like to learn more about erosion, you can go to these websites. Goodbye, explorers.